What do you do for a living?
Me?
Are you working or you are a student?
I'm a student, plus I'm employed. I'm working in British Council as their assistant supervisor. I am working in British High Commission as their intern. I do assignments for foreigners. Plus, I'm the 0.1% copywriters of Pakistan. I make sales pages for Acer, Dell, Alienware.
You're doing so much. So, what do you think is the average monthly cost of living in Islamabad?
2 lakhs.
2 lakhs. Does that
Does it count family or just an individual?
an individual, a single person?
80k?
80k if you are if you're owning your own house or if you're on rent.
Well, I live with my family and मेरा monthly expense आता है यूनिवर्सिटी में approximately 2500 रोज़ का. लेकिन मैं तो earn कर रहा हूँ साथ, तो मेरा तो एक different, but for an unemployed student I guess 40,000 will do the trick.
If they are having their own house. So what if a single person is on rent? How much would be the average monthly cost in living in Islamabad?
Around 60. Yeah. If you want to live a comfortable life, but it's on the individual, how is he going to make his life comfortable?
So maybe 60k for an average life?
Yeah.
Can you share with us the most cheapest food item in Islamabad?
Food. Islamabad.
I heard that you can get a golgappe ki plate for just 100 rupees somewhere.
Oh, that's expensive. 100 is expensive. सबसे cheapest के लिहाज से. But let me think. यार आप जाओ उधर शमशाबाद वाली साइड पे, क्योंकि मैं खाना बहुत खाता हूँ, ठीक है. शमशाबाद वाली साइड पे जो वहाँ पे आपको 40 रुपए की चने की प्लेट मिलेगी और 20 रुपए का नान मिल जाएगा.
Chane ki plate for only 40 rupees. What's the most expensive food item here?
यार मैंने खाए थे सबसे महंगे. I don't know what it's called. It costed me 24,000. फ्रेंड्स के साथ था मैं. यार वो it's like eggs. फिश के एग्स होते हैं, मेरे दिमाग से नाम नहीं कर रहा है. आई हेटेड देम इतना ज़्यादा.
For 24,000. My God, that's really expensive. Where did you get to eat them?
यार ये चाइनीज़ रेस्टोरेंट था उधर. इट वाज लाइक शेल थे एंड इट वाज कोटेड विद गोल्ड. तो गोल्ड प्लेटेड पता नहीं क्या कहते हैं उसे. तो आई गेस दैट वाज द मोस्ट एक्सपेंसिव फूड. और सबसे सस्ता मैंने खाया है ये 40 रुपए के चने.
That's great. So are you working or are you a student right now?
So I'm trying to work. I'm finding employment, but at the moment I am not working at all. Full ash on daddy's cash.
Okay. So can you share with us the average monthly cost of living in Islamabad for a single person?
In Islamabad particularly, I think Islamabad, the main factor will be your property in which you are living. If it is rented, then for a single person, I think, as I'm a single person, so it will cost you around 30,000.
Are you on rent?
Yeah, but hostel wise, if you are in a studio apartment, then it will be 50,000. 30,000 will be your rent and 20,000 will be your food.
So
But I'm talking about very basic lifestyle. Yeah.
average. I ask average monthly cost. So what do you think for a luxury life? How much do you want?
I think for luxury life, especially in Islamabad, you will need, I think, a handsome amount of 80,000, 85,000, because in furnished studios in Islamabad will cost you around 40 to 45,000. Sectors like 11. So other than that, if you are luxury lifestyle, you will require another 45,000, which makes it, I think, almost 90,000, 85 to 90,000.
So may I ask you how much you spend in a month?
Since my lifestyle is not that much luxury, but not that much basic as well, so I think, as I'm a hostelite, so my rent is almost 15 to 16,000, and same amount, almost 20,000 to my food, and I'm talking about a basic lifestyle.
But I guess that's good. Like you are balancing things perfectly, right? That's why you are not having a lot of cost on your living, right? So what's the most cheapest food in Islamabad?
I think it will be ande wala burger. I think it will cost you around 120 rupees, and it's a good meal.
Ande wala burger for 120 rupees. Okay, and what's the most expensive thing that you have eaten right in Islamabad?
I think it will be the beef steak of carnivore. It cost around, I guess, 7,000, 2,000 big, and I'm still regretting it.
7,000 for just a steak?
Yeah, because they were selling it we have been cooking it for almost 3 to 4 days, and our meat is almost next level. Except even though it was good, but I think for a student, especially like bachelors, it was not worth it.
That's so expensive. Okay. Are you working right now or are you a student?
I am a student. I'm full-time student.
Okay. What do you think is the average monthly cost of living in Pakistan?
It depends. I think currently for a single person or a married person.
If I ask about a single person,
Single person, it's 70 to 80k. Hmm.
would that include having your own house or if you're on rent?
No, it's about hostelites. Yes. For home on it would be 40, 30 to 40. Expensive traveling each and everything.
So is food and clothing items expensive in Pakistan?
Yes.
They are.
Clothing are not much expensive, but other traveling expenses are quite make a big difference in your budget.
Okay. Thank you so much for your time.
Welcome.
So are you a student or are you working right now?
I'm a student.
Can you share with us what is the average monthly cost of living in Islamabad for a single person?
I don't think I'm the best person to ask this question. Everything is paid by my father. I live at home. If can I take a guess here?
Yeah, sure. You can tell us maybe what's the average monthly cost while you are on rent and if you have your own house.
Okay, I'll take a guess here. If you have your own house, then for me personally, monthly I spend comfortably. If you ask me, I think 25,000 monthly. I think that's how much I spend. Maybe that's a little bit on the higher side. Maybe I would say 20,000. That's just for my own expensive. Me personally, I'm not taking into account rent. If you take into account rent, I don't know the price of properties over here. I guess it's a lot, especially in our particular sector. But if I had to take a guess, maybe at least it would be 50,000. I guess, taking into account the rent stuff.
So if you're on rent, then 50,000 average monthly cost, right?
Right, that's my guess. But it could be very inaccurate. I don't know.
Okay. And is food and clothing items expensive in Islamabad?
Depends. They are expensive, but not if you know where to buy stuff from. Like thrifting, if you do thrifting, like if you buy clothes for like the winters currently, and you know the proper places to thrift stuff, then 5,000 can get you a whole lot that'll last you the whole winters. But if you are not well aware of that, then maybe 5,000 from a huge brand, it will be hard to get even one jacket.
Okay. So can you share with us some cheap stores, maybe thrift stores?
Landa Bazaar, I would say.
Landa Bazaar. Can you share with us the location as well?
Etwar Bazaar. It's here, I guess, in H11, I guess. H8, right? H8, yeah. It's over there, I guess. So that's a really good place. Another thing is the Karachi company in G11. It's really underrated. There are a lot of big brands over there as well. But if you know where to look from, like the local stalls and stuff, they have a lot of good shoes there as well.
I guess it's in G9 Karachi company, not G11, right?
Yeah, sorry, I get this stuff mixed up.
So G9 Karachi company and H11 Itwar Bazaar, Sunday Bazaar. Okay, thank you for sharing with us so good information and thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.